I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I would like to invite you to, if she would stand still, I would like to invite you to 3 challenges that Dory's Dollies and I offer each month. On the 16th, we have Dolls Gone Goth. I wanted to show this little doll. I just got her on AliExpress, and I got her little eyes in. Wasn't as easy as it sounds. She's just a little white doll. I'm not giving her a face up. I don't know what I'm doing about the shoes yet, but I want to make sure I do it right because she has 1 pair. Yes, Darren could make more, but he's pretty busy right now. Redesigning doll shoes is kind of out of the question. On the 16th, we have Dolls Gone Goth. And this month, we'd like to invite you to, and you can interpret these any way you like, mist or moonlight, or both. And on the 18th, we have Hi Barbie. And we just wanted to remind you, you can use any Barbie, or for that matter, any fashion doll you'd like to join in. But I think about every doll collector has a Barbie or can get their hands on one cheap. This month, and I'm peeking over, this month is Carnival Treats and Sweets. You don't have to set up a big Ferris wheel, but how fun would it be if you did? Just show your doll with a treat or a sweet from a carnival, how they would dress at a carnival. And then Amaya Raine on the 3rd of September. Can you believe we are talking about September 2024? This year has flown. So if you have not joined in a challenge or asked someone to do a collab with you, now's the time. The year's almost over. Amaya Raine Day is for any Rainbow High doll or Shadow High doll or Poopsie Surprise. We love the Poopsie Surprise. And this next month, September 3rd, is Campus Cutie or Business as Usual. Again, interpret those any way you want. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Dory. Go by and see Dory's video today. She always does it up. I mean, she does it up with the editing. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.